Hey, this is Mark with Yonder, and today we're going to speak with Barb Skupien, who's the owner of a very cool store downtown Asheville called Embellish Asheville. And pro tip, if you need some ideas for gift giving this holiday season, this is an amazing store.
So my name is Barb Skupien. I own Embellish Asheville. I've had the shop for 9 years. I've been here in Asheville for 11 years. I came one long weekend with my husband and we immediately knew that this was home. We've been open now for 3 weeks, shortened hours. We were able to sustain through online orders until we were able to open. Every day is a little bit better. Every weekend is definitely busier. There are people out, there are people about, and this community wants to support its small businesses. There's no two ways about it. And it's really heartening because around us there is, things that are hard to look at and hard to see, but downtown itself is fantastic. You wouldn't know to drive through that we've been through this experience. Restaurants are open. It's my job to eat out these days. Yesterday I had a burger at Posana. Today I had lunch from Celia's. We're here. There are plenty of places around Asheville, the Bryson City area, Waynesville, south of Hendersonville. There are communities that are perfectly fine and desperately need people to come and visit. There are a lot of towns that are perfectly fine. They've got clean water, they've got everything you need to stay, and it's also a great opportunity to come into downtown Asheville on a day trip. Right. And support our small businesses, our restaurants, our bars. Our breweries are starting to open up as well. Ginger's Rev opens up today, which is exciting. They are right on the river, sustained a lot of damage, and they have worked it out. We're 6 weeks later, and they are reopening tonight.
Wow, that is great news.
Yeah. So, and I should mention that when you do come, and we want you to come, pack your patience, do your research, and just be prepared. Just be prepared for our regular hospitality, but things are a little bit different. We can't wait to welcome you back.
My favorites. Barb, thank you so much for your time today. Thanks so much.